Piano 2, Test 2, In the Hall of the Mountain King by Edvard Grieg on 33839. A very popular piece and choice for this test, but with some very common issues and errors that we'll take a look at. First, I'd like to begin with just walking through the position and octave shifts. Students sometimes miss some of these. Middle C, left hand here, G minor position for this piece in G minor. Second line, right hand notated here, but it's indicated to be an octave lower, thus here, adjacent octaves, and both hands remain here for the third line. Next page, right and left, moving up to basically D position. Then the third line, both moving up again, returning to a G minor position. Fourth line, right hand only, moving up to G minor position again. And fifth, last line, right hand up to D minor position, left hand down to D minor position. Second measure, right hand only, down to D minor again. Third measure, note, overhead keyboard view, left 5 over D is going to become left thumb over D as I move into a G minor position and the left 2 moves to this D. And then the last note, octave lower than written. So those are your octave and position shifts. Now, a few common errors and issues. Starting with the red bracket, measure 7/8 right hand. First of all, please follow your fingerings. Thank you. It says to get your thumb on this B flat. But when you do so, not like this, you should also, like this, have your 2 and 5 over the D and G, inverted G minor chord. Again, look, like this. Practice doing that so then all the rest of the notes are ready except your 4 on the F, which will be right there. So practice doing this, and then this will become super easy. A lot of students struggle with this. Also, same spot in the left, a lot of students do not notice in the purple, the left hand moves to here. Another common mistake. Top of the second page, another common mistake is for students to not notice that the left hand thumb changes here, then back to here. Another common mistake. Okay? Jumping to the fourth line, last measure, you have this again, but instead of going back to the 4 on the F as you've done before, you'll go to the 3 on the F to get that D minor position while the left moves down slightly to a D minor position. And then again, the right will then move down, and then here the left will do this while the right does this. Okay? And now, without further ado, a demo with the audio. Please note, staccatos, dynamics, and accents, all very important in this piece. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and have my left hand ready and in place before I begin. Here we go. Accent, 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 accent. Very important. Accent. Okay. A little bit louder. Moving up. Feel free to bob your head on those accents. Not really. Now soft. Getting louder. right hand only, moving up. Both go to D position, right hand down, both hands down, softly, please, and short. And that's a wrap on the famous and fabulous Hall of the Mountain King. Bye, everyone.